Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, I just don't want to skip this part of me actually finishing this trading account. So, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload? So, I just want to enter Euro USD. I can just enter even 11. Man, I'm not afraid of this. And then let's see how much losses will it be going. Oh, $1. So I'm going to actually hold this trade for like maybe I can say 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, or even 30 minutes. So one thing that I'm going to do now is just to actually stop the video, and then I'm going to show you guys once I close this trade. Don't be surprised when I enter trades and you find that they're going in profit. One thing in the market is what we call momentum. So if you want to learn things like momentum, you just have to actually text me via my WhatsApp so that we can speak business. You understand? So most of the people become surprised when I enter trade, and then immediately they just go into profit. Like, man, how do you do that? Momentum is one thing that actually advises me. I don't need to be 10 hours in the market to understand where the market is actually going. Once I get to the chart already, I see the momentum. So what it is, guys, let me go send gold. What US30 buy. I think I see US30 buy. Let me just go and send this to my people so that they can as well eat as I eat. That's one thing that I have signed up for, that when I eat, my people have to eat. So you see, it's already buying momentum. Like, it's something, just get into the chart, look at the chart, 2 minutes already. I see, the momentum, it's actually a buy. So yeah, we're gonna resume, guys. Let's go. Let me just stop this one for now. How do I pause? Yes. So yeah, guys, I just got an email now. The trade was automatically closed. I just got an email that congratulations, you have successfully, I don't know what they said, but I'm gonna actually show you guys. Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So guys, you can see the yesterday setup being respected crazy. This was an incredible, guys. And obviously, guys, I just passed my evaluation. Now moving to the funded space. As you can see there, you can see the congratulations, blah blah blah. I'm just waiting for the certificate because I'm busy verifying my account. I don't know if it's gonna be done now automatically, but I think maybe it will be done automatically. But you see, we entered the trade somewhere here, and then we closed somewhere here, but you can see the whole direction being respected. Like I said, I was just entering based on the momentum of the market, you understand? So with this, guys, I always respect myself, that I can see that, okay, the momentum of the market was just actually a selling. There was no need for me to be being confused. Once verified, to secure the user, secure every step of your customer journey. In order to complete upload, I did upload that. It's verified. It's verified. Let's see something. If the certificate is already there, download. Yeah. It's already there, guys, but we're gonna just add them here just to show you guys that, okay, they are there. But here, guys, I'm just here to actually see as if the market is trying to reverse. The momentum is actually telling me another story. Like I said, if you wanna learn more about the momentum of the market, just hit me up. We're gonna work on that. So I just removed everything, and after killing this kind of direction, man, it makes sense. I have to, it's allowed. I like saying it's allowed, guys. If you didn't know, now you know. So this is my highest point, and then this is my current. I said the current lowest point, and then someone say, is that the current lowest point? When we say current, we mean at the moment. We are not saying the whole term of the market, this is the lowest, because the lowest, this is the current lowest point. You understand? So for me, guys, I don't know for you guys. Some other arguments, man, they depend on if you did buy a G83 or not. But sometimes I tend to be arguing with people that never reached the level that I have reached. But I'll be like, oh, no ways. That is why I no longer do interviews, because now I have to be answering things of people that don't really understand, man. Success is different, man. I can't answer every, you know, ish, let's forget about it. So as we can see, guys, I like US30 when it likes playing around like this. It gives you like a wrong direction. It did this in the past. If you can check the previous video, I was like, means it's a sell. The next thing, bright board. You understand? So I think with the market is a trend. So you let the market do this. There's a day whereby it will buy. The following day, that's when you'll start buying. Don't think it will buy because you're gonna have a problem. But I said the momentum it's a sell. Every time whereby it feels like taking a sell, you should be inside. Understand? So we're on a weekly time frame, and we can actually like determine the entries, but the direction of the market still confirms a sell because it broke these highs. But this is the strongest support. So basically, most of the people that use the support at a certain point, they're looking for buying opportunities. So since we are the trend lines and the support, what is it that we need to look for? Do we understand the market can buy here? But if it decides to break here, we know we're coming here. But if it fell to, we might reverse to the top side. But for us to be sure, we need to be going forward. This is like a double bottom. This double bottom haven't yet been manipulated, but it's something that we need to be looking forward to because it's the strongest double bottom. So I believe that the market sooner or later will be seeing more buying opportunities pushing to the top side. So all you have to do, guys, is just focus because we had a double bottom. It gave us a bigger movement. Now we came back again just to take those who came before us out, and then now we're gonna move. Understand? So I believe our entry point was supposed to be here, but probably you could be sleeping and I could be sleeping as well. And then, but for now, we're gonna enter our buys here, and then I'm just gonna aim a little bit of a target. Yo, guys, yesterday I saw the momentum and I just milked. Understand? So I'm gonna just actually claim there. So we're gonna see on the other video if we did hit take profit or not. But at the end of the day, man, making money makes sense. Let's jump into NAS 100 and see what else NAS 100 doing. Same thing. And for NAS 100, it becomes weak because NAS 100 becomes the easiest. I don't even have to analyze because already the analysis are already there. You understand? So at this certain point, guys, we might see bullish to this take profit here. Guys, advance 2.0, advance 1.0 is one of the greatest course, guys. If you wanna succeed in your career, make sure you check them out because it will take you much time. Trying to figure things out. It took me time without a mentor, guys. You need one. So if you can see here, once we get a candlestick, we're gonna be pushing to the top side. So those are the things that I was like trying to show you guys today. But let's jumping into DXY. I don't know why is this one taking the same direction with the gents, but at the end of the day, you saw last week I analyzed this one, and we had this trend line, and then the next thing I know that at this certain point we need to reverse. So what is it that can guide this one down? Yeah, this is where we're coming. So all we have to do, guys, is just to enter selling opportunities there. I started mixing price action and SMC. People start doing that, but they're not doing it like I do it. I didn't mix it with SMC. I just took some certain strategies that comply with their strategy. Understand? It's price action at the end of the day. So here, guys, we're down. We're gonna sell. That's how we buy. And then some might say, "Oh man, gold. What is gold doing?" Okay, we killed the sell clean. But when I say it's not the cell, that actually says it's not the cell. It's not the cell, guys. I want to show you guys. This is the double bottom that we actually saw in the other side. So you could have got your entry point at this point. And I don't like removing my support and resistance because this is my structure of the market. So you can jump in quick, just scalp this point here until the certain point here. Especially if it comes back and touches here, then yeah. But at the end of the day, man, quick one. Jump in, we're gonna hit there, or else we're gonna reverse somewhere there. So that's one thing that I just wanted to show you guys, and it's really, really important to understand. So thank you guys for watching this video, guys. I think I have uploaded a lot of videos today. Now I just want to plug in the board. Understand? I want to plug in the board. These days, guys, I have a lot of PCs, understand, because I have to be plugging the board this side, man. And the board only handles a bigger account. Not for it, but for me. For me, guys, I like putting it on the bigger accounts. Like 100,000 is busy. It's busy handling 100,000. I'm busy handling like 2K, 3K. Here it's an algo versus an algo, guys. You are not an algo. So yeah, at the end of the day, guys, I'm gonna upload this video soon. Thank you for watching.